Hello, my friend. Welcome to the English Learning Podcast. This podcast is for people who are learning English. If you are a beginner, A1 or A2, this is for you. In this podcast, I speak slowly. I use easy words you can understand. You can practice listening, and you can learn new words. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Do your hands shake? Does your heart beat fast? Do you feel shy or scared? This is very normal. Many people feel this. I even feel nervous sometimes when I speak a new language. Why do we feel nervous? We are afraid to make mistakes. We think people will laugh. We think we will look silly. We worry too much. This makes our mind tired. It makes speaking hard, but listen, you do not need to be perfect. You just need to try. So what can you do? First, relax, take a deep breath, close your eyes, say, "It's okay, I'm learning." You are doing something brave. Second, practice a little every day. Speak out loud, even if you are alone. Say small sentences like, "I am making tea," "I am going to work," "I am happy today." This is good practice. Your brain learns better when you speak out loud. Third, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Mistakes are not bad. They are part of the process. Every mistake is a small teacher. It shows you how to grow. Fourth, talk with kind people. Find a friend, a teacher, or a group. Speak slowly. Use easy words. Ask for help if you forget something. People will understand. You can also write small sentences. Then read them out loud. Do this every day. Over time, you will feel better. You will feel more confident. And remember, celebrate small wins. Did you say one full sentence? Great job. Did you try to speak today? That's amazing. Every small step is progress. You are learning. You are growing. Last tip, don't stop. Even if it's hard, keep going. You can do it. Step by step, day by day, your English will get better. Believe in yourself. Thank you for listening to the English Learning Podcast. Today, we talked about feeling nervous when speaking English and how you can feel better. I hope this helped you. Come back again next time for more easy English. Subscribe to this podcast and leave a comment if you liked it. Keep going. You are doing great. See you next time. Bye.